Alrighty, I'm going to be attempting to pick these Brinks aluminum body padlocks. These are all 6-pin locks with serrated and spool pins. They use a keyway similar to an 1105, except for the fact that they do have 6 pins. I have 3 of these locks here that all work with the key. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and set my tension wrench up in here and see if I can't pick these for you. Double tension wrench. I'll go in with my short hook, see if I can't find a false on these. So that should be pretty close to a false there. And there's the first one picked open. Moving on to the second. Tension wrench is set up here. Into a false set. And there's the second one, picked open. Going for the third here. My tension wrenches set up right there. Going with the short hook, looking for a false. Okay, pretty close to a false there. These locks are a bit tricky because they contain both serrated pins, serrated key pins, and serrated hybrid spools. And there's the third. That's 3 6 spool pin locks, picked open in just under 5 minutes. That's actually a record time for me. Again, like I said, these locks are they're basically the Brinks version of an 1105 American. They have 6 pins in them, serrated key pins, serrated hybrid spools, 5 serrated hybrid spools and 1 serrated pin each. So they can be a bit tricky to pick, but there you have it. 3 of them picked open in the YouTube time limit. Now that I got these locks all picked for you within the time limit, I'll show you that they all do actually work with their respective keys. Let's set these cords back. Pretty neat little locks. They can be kind of a pain to pick. But in any case, there you have it. So rate my video and let me know what you think.